Good morning, procurement professionals. Welcome to our procurement mentoring session, and I'm Dennis Santa Maria, your procurement mentor. Now, when you are hired as a professional buyer, never ever go to your boss and tell your boss that I don't know where to source this requirement. I don't know where to buy this item, because there are lots of ways to source a vendor. Okay, one, there is this what we call list of accredited vendors. This list of accredited vendors are pre-evaluated in terms of their capacity, pre-evaluated in terms of their business legitimacy, their financial capability, their experiences in the field, and then their performance. After the list of accredited vendors, you can go to government or the professional or the private organization. For instance, if you're looking for a contractor, you can visit the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board list of contractors. It's available in the web. Or if you're looking for a local suppliers, you can go to the DTI local publication. DTI means Department of Trade and Industry. They have this local publication per municipalities. So you can locate the local vendor. And then you can also consult the professional organization like the ISM. They have their own list of reputable, reliable vendors. Okay. Third, you can also source vendors from your peers, no? both internal peers and external peers. Internal peers, I'm referring to your co-buyers. No? Your co-buyers are there before you were even hired. So most probably, the requirements assigned to you were already purchased by your co-buyers, by your peers. And it's repetitive in nature, no? It's just depending on the frequency of the needs. Now, there is this external peers, no? Maybe you have contacts with other organizations of the same industry. You can ask for their help because they are your peers, they are your friends. Okay? Another way to source a vendor is consult Google. Google mo pare, sabi nga GMP, Google mo pre, Google mo bro. Because of Google's algorithm, you will only need to type the words that you're looking for, and then the algorithms of the Google will already feed you informations where to source your requirement. Another way to source a vendor is to ask the suppliers themselves. So ask your suppliers. Actually, there are better source of suppliers, no? They can refer to you what supplier, which supplier, or the best supplier, because they're the best source. They're the expert more than the buyers, no? When it comes to sourcing a vendor. And then lastly, after you're sourcing your peers, and then you still have this difficulty of sourcing this seemingly difficult requirement, guys, I'm telling you, go to the requester, ask your proponent, and then most probably they know where to source your requirement. Follow for more procurement mentoring session. I'm Dennis Santa Maria. See you again, guys.